everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to place these little plastic clips that came with your PS5 Pro. And these will just help the airflow by lifting it up a little bit. So if you look at the PlayStation, this is, I would consider maybe the front. But if you flip it upside down or rotate it around, you're going to notice right along this little black edge, there's going to be little holes. And this is where I can place those little clips. So right here you can see along this line there's going to be little holes that we can put these in. So we can just place it in here, and we have to think about the way that we're going to put these in. And then we can flip it upside down and it should create some separation. So I have them placed in now. Let's turn my PlayStation around and it should be elevated a little bit. And it actually fits quite well like that. So you don't need to go out and get a stand or anything like that. Just keep it horizontal. And you can see where the clips go right there. Very simple. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.